Start by exploring what diffusion really means. Imagine you're making a cup of tea. When you place a tea bag into lukewarm water, you'll notice the tea color slowly spreading out from the bag, eventually coloring the whole glass. This is diffusion in action. Diffusion is the movement of molecules from an area of high concentration to an area of low concentration. It continues until the concentration is equal throughout the space. This process happens because molecules are always moving, especially in liquids and gases. So whether it's the scent of air freshener or the color of tea, diffusion is at work, helping substances spread out naturally. Now let's look at how diffusion works in different states of matter. In gases, particles are in constant rapid motion. When someone sprays air freshener at the back of a room, the scent spreads as gas particles collide and move randomly, eventually reaching the front. In liquids, diffusion also occurs, but a bit more slowly. For example, when you add food dye to warm and cold water, you'll see the dye spread faster in the warm water. That's because higher temperatures make molecules move quicker, speeding up diffusion. So temperature is one factor that affects how fast diffusion happens. Fusion isn't just a science concept, it's something you experience every day. Think about the smell of cooking spreading through your home or how the scent of flowers fills a garden. These are all examples of diffusion at work. To recap, diffusion is the movement of molecules from high to low concentration, and it happens in both gases and liquids. It's essential for many natural processes, like how oxygen moves into our blood or how plants get nutrients. Without diffusion, life as we know it would be very different. So next time you smell something delicious or watch a color spread in water, remember you're witnessing diffusion in action.